Hi! In this video I will show you how to knit and purl. This is a piece of knitting which, aside from the border, is made entirely of knit stitches. Each of these little V's is a knit stitch. The back of a knit stitch is always a purl stitch, so if we turn the work, we can see the purl stitches. Before we knit the first stitch, I want to show you how to hold the working yarn. Take the strand that is coming from your work, put it in front of your left little finger, behind the ring and middle finger, and wrap it around your index finger. Hold the work with your left hand and take the empty needle into your right hand. I will show you one more time. The yarn goes in front of your little finger, behind the ring and middle finger, and once around the index finger. Hold the work in your left hand and the empty needle in your right hand. The strand of yarn should be behind your left needle. To knit a stitch, take your needle and insert it from left to right into the first loop on your needle. Grab the strand that is coming from your index finger and pull it through the loop. Slip the loop off the needle. This is your first knit stitch. Insert the needle from left to right into the next stitch, grab the strand with your needle and pull it through the loop. Let the stitch slide off your left needle. I will show you a couple more stitches. To purl a stitch, put the working yarn in front of your left needle. Insert your needle from right to left into the first stitch. Now comes the tricky part. Move the needle in a clockwise motion around the strand. Keep hold of the strand with your thumb and pull the strand through the loop. This is your first purl stitch. Put the yarn back in front of your needle. Insert the needle from right to left and move the needle in a clockwise motion around the yarn. Hold the yarn with your right thumb and pull the yarn through the loop to form your second purl stitch. I will show you a few more stitches. As soon as you are more comfortable, you can also rotate your left hand so that you can wrap the strand around your needle more quickly. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.